In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a Facebook page for your business, how to set it up, how to personalize it, and how to get started publishing content. Often when I log into Facebook, which is every hour on the hour, I'll find a brand new feature or another that disappeared. It can be confusing to keep up to date with the constant updates. To remove some of this frustration, I'm going to get you up and running quickly and correctly. Remember, this is not your personal page. You'll log in as yourself to create the business page, but they are separate and need to be approached differently. There are many useful features that come with a business page that aren't available with a personal profile. No friend requests need to be engaged, which is good for me because no one has sent me one of those in a while, which keeps it simple and immediate for visitors. Analytics to give you access to insights on your page's performance. You can also get help and manage who does what by assigning page roles to team members, and that's just a start. Once you're signed in, open the menu. Go under Create, click Page. Start by entering your page name. This is the name of your business, brand, organization. Next, enter a category that best describes your business. Are you a pet-growing business? Cool, type that in. You can have up to 3, so if you offer boarding services and sell pet supplies, put those in too. Next, it's bio time. This is your page intro and where you'll enter a concise description of what you do in 101 characters or less. Your bio should sum up the unique aspects of your business or define a problem and solution in the simplest terms. And while this step is optional, I dare say it's not something you'll want to skip. A good bio is written with your audience in mind. Yes, this is about you and your business, but people want to know what's in it for them. So if there's an ultimate takeaway you want your audience to know right off the bat, make that clear in the section. It could be that you specialize in long-term pet sitting. Click the Create Page button and you're off and running. The next step is where you'll enter contact info, all the ways people can connect with your business. Remember to define business hours and include special holidays to remove any uncertainty around your availability. Now let's customize. This is where the look and branding behind your business get to shine. Upload your profile picture and cover photo here. An ideal profile image is your logo or professional headshot. It's a visual representation of your business that should be recognizable and memorable. Make sure you're using dimensions based on Facebook's recommended image sizes and specifications for the best results, and to avoid the unfortunate cropping of important details. Choose this image wisely because it appears prominently on your page in search results and alongside your public comments. And every time someone shares your content, your logo will reach the eyes of a new audience, which helps your branding efforts. Not to mention increasing the engagement of your content, which can then help you gain more followers and traffic. Let's move on to the cover photo. When you visit a great page, what's the first thing you notice? That's right, the large banner graphic at the top. That's the cover photo, and the key to making a first impression with your audience. A well-designed cover photo can help establish some of your brand identity that ties back in with your website or your store. Think of it like a billboard or a retail shop window. Successful billboards take viewers on a journey, even if that journey is a few-second glimpse before navigating away. Use your cover photo to display new products, highlight promotions, and convey the essence of your brand. The ideal size is 851 pixels wide and 315 pixels tall. Remember, cover images with graphics or text work best as a PNG. JPEG is best for photos. Use Facebook's recommended file size of under 100 kilobytes for fastest loading times. If you don't feel you have design chops or the budget to hire a professional, it's all good. Now let's navigate to general page settings to add your username. Do not ignore the step. Custom usernames allow businesses to promote their presence on Facebook by providing a short, easy-to-remember URL. Your username should be straightforward so that it can be easily shared across social platforms and featured in your marketing materials. For example, an appropriate username for your pet sitting business could be at the Cat's Pajamas or Cat's Pajamas Pet Sitting. Plain and simple. A custom username makes it easier for people to find and tag your business in their posts. And when others tag your business, those tags equal publicity, engagement, and growth. It's basically free marketing. You've completed your bio, profile image, and thoughtfully branded cover photo. Now, what do you want your engaged visitor to do? That's where the call to action button comes into play. Schedule an appointment, visit our website, give us a call. There are several CTAs to choose from. And if your CTA changes based on new products, services, and promotions, it can always be edited later in this menu. This horizontal three-dot menu, also known as the meatball menu, has even more functions. Curious to see your page the way visitors will see it? It's in the meatball menu. Click on View As and check it out. Looks good, doesn't it? The page, not the meatballs. Now, let's build on this momentum and connect with those interested in what you have to offer by publishing content. You may think posting means a steady stream of pitching products or services, but in most cases, people turn to Facebook for information, inspiration, and advice. This will be the difference between catching the attention of a new customer and going completely unnoticed. Create compelling posts by sharing expertise that matches your audience's needs and interests in the form of photos, videos, graphics, stories, or links to external content. You'll create your post from the 9-dot menu or scroll down to the prompt that asks what's on your mind. Once finished, tap Publish. Your post is now visible to anyone who visits your page, in the feed, and other places on Facebook like search results or recommendations. Although your personal and business profiles are linked, Facebook treats them like two separate entities, which you can switch back and forth between easily. Just click on your profile picture in the upper right corner and choose See All Profiles. From there, you'll be able to select the profile that you'd like to post on from the drop-down menu. Just remember, once you switch over from your personal to business page, you'll be sharing, liking, and commenting as that page. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!